Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this Doypack in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our Doypack. So now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle. Now we will set the align of the rectangle. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will select the rectangle and we will drag like this. Now we will right click to make a copy. Now we will right click on the rectangle and we will select convert to curves. Now we'll select the shape tool from the toolbar. Now we will drag the node. Now we'll click on the center of the line. Now we'll select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. Now we'll select the shape and we will fill red color. And we will remove the outline by right click. Now we'll select the rectangle and we will fill white color. Now we will insert the images. Now we will place the images one by one. First we will place the snacks image. Now we will select the tomato image. We will place the image like this. Now we will place the sauce image. Place the chili image. Now we will rotate the image on 90 degree. Now we will adjust the size and we will place. Now we will select the snacks image. Now we will right click and select power clip inside. Now we will click on this red shape. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw an oval shape like this. Now we'll fill color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll go to the effects menu. Now we'll select blur. Then we will select cushion blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now I'll place this shape here. Basically we are trying to create the shadow, so it will look realistic. Now again we will adjust the cushion blur. Now we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle like this. Now we will right click, then convert to curves. Now we'll select the shape tool. Now we will drag the node. Now we'll delete this node by right click. Now we'll make a triangle like this. Now let's click on the line. Now select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. Now again we will select this line and we will select convert to curve. Now I'll select the shape and we will fill black color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll double click and we will drag this shape like this. Now we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll fill green color. Now we'll select both and we will adjust the size. Now again we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle like this. Now we will fill color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the star tool from the toolbar and we will draw a star like this. Now we will increase the points of the star. Now we will decrease the sharpness. Now we will decrease the size. I'll place the shape here. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select both and we will drag. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small circle. And we will adjust the size. Now we'll place this circle with the star. Now we will adjust the size of the circle. Now we'll select the star shape and we will fill color. Now we'll select the circle and we will fill green color in the circle. Now we'll remove the outline. Now we'll select both and we will adjust the size and we will place here. Now we'll select the star shape and we will give a green color to the outline. Now we'll select the rectangle tool and we will draw a square box like this. Now we'll fill green color in the square and we will remove the outline. Now we'll drag this. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the text tool from the toolbar. Now we will select the font style. Now we will write the brand name. Now we'll change the color. Now I'll give a white color to the text. Now we'll drag and right click to make a copy of the text. Now we'll give a red color to this text. Now we'll place like this. Now again we will select the text tool and we will select the font style. Now we will write the product name. We will make a copy by drag and right click. Now I'll give a red color to the first text. Now I'll place this text. Now I'll give a white color to the text. Now again we will write the text. will make a copy of the text and we will fill white color on this text, and we will place like this. Now we will select this text. Again we will make a copy of the text. Now select the first text and we will fill white color. Now we will select the second text. I think I should change the color of the text. So now I will give a green color to the text. Now I will paste this text and we will give a white color to the. Now we will select 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a line like this. Now I'll select the shape tool. Now I'll click on the line. Now I'll select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. Now I'll make a line like this. Now I'll select the text tool. Now we will write the text. Now I'll change the font style. I'll select the text and we'll go to the text menu. Now I'll select fit text to path. Now we will fit the text to the path like this. Now we'll adjust the size. Now we will change the color. Now again we will write the text. Now again we will go to the text menu. Now I'll select fit text to path. Now again we will fit the text to the path. I'll change the color, adjust the size. Now I'll select the shape tool and we will select the path and we will delete. Now we'll select the text tool and we will write the text. I'll change the color of the text. Now again we will select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a line like this. Now select the shape tool. Now we'll click on the line. Now select convert to curve. Now we'll make a line like this. Now we'll select the text and we will go to the text menu. Now we'll select fit text to path. Now we will fit the text according to the path like this. Now we'll select the text and we will change the color. Now we will delete the path. Now we will adjust the text. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write 1 kg. Now I'll change color. Now we'll select the rectangle tool. Now we will create the vegetarian sign. Now I'll draw a square like this. Now I'll fill white color. We will remove the outline. Now we will drag inside with the shift key. Now I'll right click to make a copy. Now I'll fill green color. Now again we will drag inside with the shift key and right click to make one more copy. I'll fill white color. Now I'll select the ellipse tool and we will draw a small circle. Now I'll fill green color in this circle and we will remove the outline. Now I'll select all and we will set the align by pressing C. Now we will adjust the size. Now I'll select the shadow tool and we will apply on this shape. So guys, our Doypack design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.